Hi guys, this is a video on Windows software. If I show you my virtual machine here, I have about 5 windows open, and if I want to switch between them I can either use the taskbar or I can use a well-known command called Alt and Tab, and it can go through them as you can see, and then I have to keep pressing the tab to go across each one to select what I want, and it looks pretty bland. There's no process information, you just select which one you want. Now this may be ideal for some people, but I'm looking for a little bit more when I press Alt and Tab. Now if I show you my machine, and this is my main desktop, I'm just going to Alt and Tab now. You can see that it's come up with a nice box here, and I can actually use my mouse to go over everything, and you'll notice it's slightly transparent as well. You can see my background, and as I pressed Alt and Tab, and if I let go now, it sort of fades out and obviously it's switched. If I open a few windows and try it, you can see it's fading as I do it, out and in. Notice that? Now you can also see that the box is looking quite nice. It's using my visual style called Slan XP, so if you guys have copied me with my Slan XP theme, then you'll want to get this because it does look really nice on the screen, and having it slightly transparent as well. This is this program that's using is called Task Switch XP, and basically it just shows you a nicer way of switching through your programs. So you can see that my music is actually showing the place on the desktop on each one here. It's got a picture of my desktop and it's showing the place of each one. Now obviously some of them can't be shown because they're minimized, and you'll notice that it says an icon and it's minimized, so it doesn't show it. And with the rest you can see where they are. Now you can also select things. Now if you were to go on one of these and press the I button, now I'm keeping Alt held by the way as I do this, because if I let go of Alt it will switch to whatever it's doing. So I'm keeping Alt held, and I'll go on to, for example, I'll go into Firefox and I'll press I. Now you notice it's come up with a little speech bubble here, and it says the image name. Obviously I've got to keep it on the right bit there. So it says the image name is Firefox, it says the duration it's been open, the CPU time, memory usage, and the VM size, and I'm not sure what the VM size is, but hey. So yeah, you can switch between these, and then you can also, another great feature of Task Switch XP, I talked about having Thunderbird and Mozilla Firefox in the system tray. Now Task Switch XP also allows you to do this. You just have to right click your program. Again, I'm keeping Alt held, and there's an option to minimize the tray. It's a great thing to use, and then I can just I can click minimize the tray. I can still stay on this box, but you'll notice that Firefox is now minimized into the tray. And just to show you that it works with other programs, I'll minimize my music to the tray, and you can see that we've now got the icon of my music. So I just click and it comes back again. So you can select more than one as well. You just hold the control key, click one, click another one, click another one, click another one, and then you can show the process information of all of them, or sort them. You can move things up and down. There's several things you can do here with this Alt Tab replacement, and it looks nice as well, as you can see. So it actually runs in the task bar here, but you can actually hide the icon if you want to. You just go to Quick Preferences and then Hide Tray Icon. And there's a few things I probably haven't even covered, but I'm just going to go through some of the basic settings. You can have an auto start with Windows, set the high priority, use a. So it actually runs in the task bar here, but you can actually hide the icon if you want to. You just go to Quick Preferences and then Hide Tray Icon. And there's a few things I probably haven't even covered, but I'm just going to go through some of the basic settings. You can have an auto start with Windows, set the high priority, use a custom icon for the system tray, save and load settings, appearance. You can have it position itself anywhere on your screen. So mine was in top center, because usually it would be directly in the center. You can have it as transparent as you want. I had it set as 8% because it goes seriously transparent, so you can't see it and you're too busy looking at the windows. Fade in animation in milliseconds, so you can have it like really slow animations in and out. You can change the visual style of it, force you use classic style. You can have a task list. This is just customizing. You can customize pretty much everything you see, and you can have a window preview style as well. So if I select window preview style and press apply, then do it, you'll notice that it's just showing the box, so it's easier to see like a full screen version or a preview box of each of the applications instead of seeing where they are on the desktop, so you can just see what's inside them. Now if I click back to this, there's some more stuff. Paint desktop background, task info, you can change the fonts, hotkeys, set hotkeys for absolutely everything. It looks like you can set hotkeys for minimizing windows to the tray. Now that is a good feature. so you can just set a hotkey and then you can minimise whatever you have open to the tray. And exclusions for things that might not work with Task Switch XP and Advanced. So that pretty much covers it. You can download this for free. This is Task Switch XP Pro 2.0. I thought it was running in the taskbar. Oh, there it is. Task XP Pro 2.0. And that is pretty much showing you, and as you can see with the SLAN XP it does actually look really nice when you go to switch through icons. It may, I mean, to be honest, I think it's a little bit overkill for what it is, but it doesn't bother me. It looks quite nice and it does what I want it to do. So that's about it really. Thanks for watching my video. Please comment, rate, subscribe if you like my videos, and thanks again.